Ever tried upgrading to Windows 11 only to be met with a seemingly insurmountable wall of issues? It's a common problem that can be caused by a variety of factors. Let's dive in to understand the usual suspects and how to tackle them. Firstly, one of the main culprits behind upgrade issues is driver incompatibility. Outdated or incompatible drivers can throw a wrench in the smooth workings of an upgrade process. Similarly, some applications might not be compatible with Windows 11, leading to hiccups during the upgrade. Custom settings or configurations can also interfere. And lastly, the issues might be related to specific hardware components. So, how to troubleshoot these issues? Start with checking compatibility. Ensure that your device meets the Windows 11 compatibility requirements. This information is usually provided by the manufacturer. You can visit the official websites of manufacturers like HP, Dell, and Lenovo to check compatibility status. If the upgrade fails, consider using Windows 11 installation media. Here's how. Download the Windows 11 ISO file from the Microsoft Software Download website. Run the setup.exe from the ISO file. Accept the license terms and proceed. Confirm that your files and settings will be kept. After completion, you'll see the login screen. If the upgrade still fails, take note of the error code displayed. Use the error lookup tool to understand what went wrong. For instance, error code 8007002 indicates a missing file. You can also use setup.diag, a diagnostic tool, to obtain details about why an upgrade failed. Look for the setup.diag results log file after running the tool. Here are a few additional tips. Disconnect any unnecessary external devices during the upgrade. Some third-party antivirus software can cause issues, so consider uninstalling them. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient disk space for the upgrade. In conclusion, remember to back up important data before attempting any upgrades. With these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot effectively and pave the way for a smooth Windows 11 upgrade. It might seem daunting, but with a little patience and the right tools, you can overcome any upgrade obstacle that comes your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us to continue creating content like this. If you want to stay up to date with our latest tech tips and troubleshooting videos, hit that subscribe button. Don't be a stranger. Leave us a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for our next video. Stay tuned for more tech tips and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching.